Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to write and execute scripts of code in R. R script is a text file that can be used to store R commands and functions. To open the script file in RStudio, click on File, then New File, and here click on R script. Alternatively, you can press CTRL Shift N from the keyboard to open our script file. So why do we need our script file? Our script file can be used to save and reuse codes. The codes in our script file can be shared with anyone, and the important thing about our script file is that it allows us to add comments on the use of codes, so you can reuse these codes effectively. You can open an existing R script file by clicking on the file and then open file. Here you can select an existing file and open it. A hash symbol is used for comment line. It will let R know that this line is not the code and it is simply text. To execute or run a code, bring your cursor to the line of code which you want to execute and click on Run. Alternatively, you can simply press CTRL ENTER to run a piece of code. You can see a new object X is created in the environment. You can also run multiple lines of code at once by selecting all of them and then clicking on Run, or by pressing keyboard shortcut CTRL ENTER. The R script files are saved with .r extension. To save this script, place the cursor on the script and click on the file and click on Save. You can save this file with any name. Alternatively, you can press keyboard shortcut Ctrl S to save the script. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.